to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to do the first project in the Velleman Solderless Educative Starter Kit. You can see I have that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what the first project is, in case you don't know yet. So here's the manual. There's some parts here. I'm just going to put them to the side. And these are the parts I need for the project. And I'm just going to get one battery. So I'm going to find the first project. So project 1, LED with push button. As long as the push button is pressed, the LED will light. So you can read more information about it. Just go and pause the video and read if you would like. And here's what it's supposed to look like. So it says required materials are a 9-volt battery, which I have right here, a 1000 ohm resistor, red LED, and push button. So I'm going to go get those parts. So I have all my parts here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go back to that page with the diagram. So that's how it's supposed to look. So let me see if I can put this on the top and then do my project on the bottom a bit. So you're going to take your breadboard. And first you're going to take this and plug it onto your battery until you kind of hear a click. And then in this case the red is positive and the black is negative. So you can plug them in wherever you'd like. And now you're going to take your push button. So you can see there's a little warning here that says that the round part of the button is positive. That's a positive sign. Looks kind of like an X, but it is a positive sign. So the round part is positive, and the flat part on the bottom is negative. So I'll show you it on the button itself. You can see the part that is facing this way, facing that way. This part right there, that is right in front of my figure, is the positive since it's round, and the part in the behind right there, behind the kind of a square, is the negative. So I'm gonna just put it into my breadboard. Here's my battery. Here's the button. I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna make sure that the first leg kind of aligns with the red. So it's hard to show that, but I'm going to make sure that this leg right here, of course, is in the same vertical row as the red wire. So I'm going to plug it into the 13 row. And the push button is the leg on the top left of the push button, because it has 4 legs, is a vertical to the red wire. So now I can take my 1000 ohm resistor, and if you didn't, in case you didn't know, it was brown, black, red, as it says in the manual right there. So you're gonna go ahead and find the bottom right leg of the button, and this has to be vertical with that. So again, I have to check what row that is in and plug this in. Again, it's hard to see on camera, but when you do it on your own, it will be a lot easier. So now I have my resistor and my button and my red wire. So now I can take my LED, my red LED, and I'm going to find the shorter side with the shorter wire, so that's on the right there. is the short. So that is going to correspond with the black wire. So that means that the longer side is going to go vertical with the resistor. And then I'm going to plug the black wire vertical to the the shorter side, sorry. Now when I press the button, you can see that the LED does flash. So I hope you found this helpful. Please like the video if you enjoyed.